Welcome to this virtual presentation of the Ulrich Medical Max 3 Contrast Media Injector for Magnetic Resonance Imaging and Contrast-Enhanced Mammography. In this presentation, I will show you how the injector works and why this injector offers advantages. Here you can see the battery-operated contrast media injector that is completely cordless, meaning it can be moved flexibly around the room and guarantees MR compatibility of up to 3 Teslas. Thanks to its small device space, the Max 3 injector can be positioned flexibly in both MR and small mammography examination rooms without being in the way. You can make all preparations and adjustments directly in the examination room, using the display on the injector. This means that you are with your patients right from the start and can dedicate more time to their care. The device can be operated from the control room using the touch terminal, with its intuitive and clear user guidance which communicates with the injector via a special Wi-Fi connection. The touch terminal is particularly efficient and enables you to work conveniently from the control room. The disposables for this injector consist of 2 parts, which makes it very easy to use. In combination with the 24-hour multi-use principle, cost and time savings are no longer just wishful thinking. Part 1 of the disposables is the Easy Click cassette, which is approved for 24-hour use. Part 2 of the disposables is the patient tubing. This is changed for each patient and connected directly to the Easy Click cassette. How is the Easy Click cassette inserted? You remove it from the packaging, open the door, and push it into the provided holder with 2 clicks. This makes insertion quick and easy. After positioning the tubing, the flap can be closed. In just a few seconds, the injector is ready to be connected to the patient tubing. The Safe Connect with touch protection was developed for your safety and that of your patients. Its use minimizes the risk of manual contamination and allows you to connect the patient tubing to the Easy Click cassette quickly and easily. An air detector in the patient tubing unit detects air bubbles in the patient tubing. This automatic air monitoring measure in the patient tubing is unique in the MRI contrast media injector industry and reduces the risk of air injection. As another safety feature, the disposable also contains 2 integrated check valves and 1 particle filter. To complete the setup procedure, the media containers are now attached. Once the type of contrast media has been confirmed on the display, the system is automatically filled. The media holders can optionally be equipped with a media rod to hold media in bags or plastic bottles. Bags with a volume of up to 2,000 milliliters can be hung on the media rod. The CM Loop and CM Select software functions also help you save time and costs. CM Loop is used when 2 identical contrast media are connected. If one media container runs dry, the device automatically switches to the other container. You can also fit the contrast media connection points with two different contrast media. The injector can then selectively change from one contrast medium to another using the CM Select function without the process of changing all the disposables. By operating the touch terminal from the control room and also having the option of changing settings directly in the examination room, you can flexibly adapt your workflows to the circumstances, thus making them as efficient as possible. The injector is now ready to be used for the first examination. In summary, the Max 3 contrast media injector saves you both time and money. Firstly, you will benefit from greatly simplified workflows, as you only have to insert the EasyClick cassette once per day. It can remain in the system for 24 hours. A logical consequence of this, less waste and lower costs for disposables. Secondly, for each patient, only the patient tubing has to be changed, enabling patient changeover in just a few seconds. Thirdly, with the automatic CM Loop and CM Select switchover functions, you will optimize your workflow and contrast media management. There's no need for laborious intermediate steps. In addition, you have more freedom when selecting the contrast media and manufacturer. And fourthly, the device is also approved for use in contrast-enhanced mammography. The Max 3 from Ulrich Medical will integrate ideally into your workflows. It is ready for use when you need it and lets you focus on what's truly important: the best possible care for your patients.